Hi, I've just picked this 1946 Atco cinder mower with a kickstart on it. It was a non-runner. The man cleaned the points and took this plate off here. Then you took this one off here. You put it all back together. You couldn't get it going. You thought you messed the timing is out by that bolt there or nut. So okay, how to clean the points on one of these? It's such a cuddle, it really is. You have to literally take the handlebar off to do this. Then you have to take the kickstart off, take the petrol tank off as well, and do the front bolt nuts and at the back. The spring, it did have a spring on it, but I'll show you the spring. It was what was on it. This from a Harley Davidson motorbike spring, that is. Looks like it snapped to me. So went up the shed and found one from another mower, so that's working now, which is good. Yeah, so I was saying, to take the flywheel off, you cannot do it because this cinder height just to set the blade, or the bottom blade, is here. And the only way to do it is you undo this bit here, that, this, and that side and that side as well. Take the tank off. Take the kickstart off, and you still cannot get the flywheel off because of that. The only way to get this off is take the handlebars off, take the right out, and take the engine off to do it. Then you can get to the points on it. Be easier. Well, so that's what I just done. But it's a bit of a pig to get it all back together again. Especially on the spring side. I've done it by myself. This bit here. So it's still wobbly. And the tank hasn't been done up yet. So all I got to do now is do the nuts up. That's working now, but it's a bit wobbly at the moment because it all needs tightening up, and that'll be fine. Then they got the carburetor to do here because the floatable gasket is broken, and put some new petrol pipe in. So I'm circling the petrol tap and the petrol filter in there. Then what I have to do is mark it all up where the top center was, and look at the points as well, because there's no timing marks on this. Because you have a look, so then I have to mark it all up and work it out. The desktop center is quite easy, but it's the timing. So that's the way. So probably I should have my dinner now. I haven't had it, and yesterday I was started at 8 o'clock and finished at 8 o'clock. So that's 8 a.m. and finish at 8 p.m. It's like a 1.5 days work. So it's getting on now about 7:30 to 8 o'clock, so I'm best stop now and have my dinner and call it and do the rest tomorrow on this Atco mower, 1946. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and thanks for listening. Bye.